Hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So in this video I just gonna explain you how to add transitions to video in Premiere Pro. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So firstly, you just need to open your Premiere Pro, and here is the two clips. I just wanna add a transition in between these two clips. Okay, so to add the transition, just go to effects panel in your window. Now in video transitions, you can see there are lot of transitions will be available here. Just select one of the transition and drag and drop to the in between of these two videos. Now the transitions will be automatically applied. If you wanna edit your transition like speed and slow, then you just simply go to effects panel. So this is how you can add transitions in between two clips in Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching.